Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace camera glass on your iPhone 7. As you can see right here, this is the new piece. I just bought it for like a couple bucks off of eBay. You can find, there's a bunch of links. You can, as long as it's a good one, just make sure. So you need to heat it up, this back glass and a remote. Be really careful, don't hit it up too much because you can damage your camera glass. The actual camera, not the camera glass. So let's start by heating up just a little bit. Don't do it too much. It should come off pretty easy once you, and then you can use something sharp like knife to get in one of the corners and then lift it up. You can see how easy it came off. I barely touched it and coming out. So you can see there's a couple more pieces left on this side. See, they're coming off too, pretty easy. It has to be like hot to come out pretty easy. So use some more heat gun if it needs to be. Make sure the frame is clean. You can see it's coming off. Okay. Fully cleaned all the way around. Clean and make sure it's all clean before you're gonna install your new one. Now remove this cover from the adhesive and install the new camera glass inside. Make sure it's perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. That's how easy to replace it. Bye bye.